Alright, the main idea of this video is this bit here, where we have something to the power of 1 over another number. This number here, we can take out of a square root, sorry, not a square root, out of a root, and then it goes into this format. So using this idea, we can sort of solve all different types of weird numbers, starting with this one here, 8 to the power of 4 over 3. The trick here is to think about all these different possible sort of combinations of numbers. So the one that comes to mind here is splitting up 4 over 3 into, well, 1 over 3 times 4. And once you do that, you'll see that 8 to the power of 1 over 3, like over here, is 2, because that's same as saying 3 to the power of 8, which means you need three numbers, something to the power of 3 to get out of this cubic root, which in this case it's 2. So using that idea, 8 to the power of 1 over 3 is same as 2. Therefore, we have 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. Similar thing over here. We split up 5 over 4 into 1 over 4 and 5. And 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So if we have this, which is same as saying 4, 81, like that, and then we know this is 3 to the power of 4, so they cancel out, and end up with 3. So that's the idea that you want to use here. Over here, we want to use the idea of 100,000 is same as 10 to the power of 5. So if we split up 3 on 5 into 1 over 5 and 3, then the first bit here, you can see that's going to be the same as just saying 10. Then we end up with 10 to the power of 3, which is 1,000. Over here, we turn this small number into a fraction, 1 over 100. And 1 over 100 is same as saying 1 over 10 squared. So 1 over 10 squared is same as saying 10 to the power of negative 2. And then you can multiply these two together at the end and end up with a negative 3. And then you end up with your answer there. These are fairly straightforward. So you make sure to have a go at all of these on your own and check the answers. And I guess I want to bring your attention to this last one. Now that we're dealing with all these different rules, it's fairly easy to forget what happens to the powers when we times them. So, you might end up timesing these two together. But remember, when we have powers multiplied together with the same base, we actually have to add them. So here, it's same as saying 2 plus 1 over 5. So your trick is to turn 2 into 10 over 5. So you can add them together. You end up with this number.